What's up, guys? So I got a quick one for you here today. A couple days ago I went and got gas on my BMW here and went to go close the fuel door, and the fuel door no longer stays closed. So what happened is the little locking detent in this guy is broken. So this is probably gonna be the easiest repair that you've ever done on your car. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this little rubber grommet that's here, you're gonna pull it away. And then see this tab right here and right here. All you're gonna do is you're gonna pry down on that tab and pull out on that. And then you're gonna pry out on the other tab. And pull your fuel door spring open or out. As you can see, there's just two locking tabs on either side of it that lock it into the body of the car. Not too much to it. And I got a new one here, brand new one. Clicks and pops the way it's supposed to. You're just gonna put it back in the hole, push it until it snaps. Everything's working good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.